Welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Splunk Core Certified User SPLK-1001. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment section. We really, sorry, our team will prioritize those. Now, the question is, what does the stats commands do? Options are option A, automatically correlates related fields. Option B, converts field values into numeral values. Option C, calculates statistics on data that matches the search criteria. And option D, analyzes numerical fields for their ability to predict another discrete field. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which is the primary function of the timeline located under the search bar? Options are option A, to differentiate between structured and unstructured events in the data. Option B, to sort the events returned by the search command in the chronological order. Option D, to zoom in and zoom out, although this does not change the scale of the chart. And option D, to show peaks and or values in the timeline which can indicate spikes in activity or downtime. The correct option is option D. Next question is, what can be configured using the edit job settings menu? Options are option A, export the result to CSV format. Option B, add the job results to a dashboard. Option C, schedule the job to rerun in 10 minutes. And option D, change job lifetime from 10 minutes to 7 days. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which command is used to validate a lookup file? Options are option A, lookup products.csv. Option B, input lookup products.csv. Option C, input lookup products.csv. And option D, lookup definition products.csv. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which statement is true about the top command? Options are option A, it returns the top 10 results. Option B, it displays the output in table format. Option C, it returns the count and percent columns per row. And option D, all of the above. The correct option is option D. Next question is, where does licensing meter happen? Options are option A, indexer. Option B, parsing. Option C, heavy forwarder. And option D, input? The correct option is option A. Next question is, which of the following statements about case sensitivity is true? Options are option A, both field names and field values are case sensitive. Option B, field names are case sensitive, field values are not. Option C, field values are case sensitive, field names are not. And option D, both field names and field values are not case sensitive. The correct option is option B. Next question is, how can another user gain access to a saved report? Options are option A, the owner of the report can edit permissions from the edit drop down. Option B, only users with an admin or power user role can access other users' report. Option C, anyone can access any reports marked as public within a shared Splunk deployment. And option D, the owner of the report must clone the original report and save it to their user account. The correct option is option A. Next question is, upload options creates inputs.conf. Option is yes or no. The correct option is option B. Next question is, when refining search results, what is the difference in the time picker between real time and relative time ranges? Options are option A, real time searches display results from a rolling time window, while relative searches display results from a set length of time. Option B, real-time searches happen instantly while relative searches happen at a scheduled time. Option C, real-time represents events that have happened in a set time window, while relative will display results from a rolling time window. And option D, real-time searches run constantly in the background while relative searches only run when certain criteria are met. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what is the result of the following search? Index is equal to my index, source is equal to C colon slash mydata.txt, not error is equal to star. Options are option A, only data, where the value of the field error does not equal an asterisk star will be displayed. Option B, only data that does not contain the error field will be displayed. Option C, only data with a value in the field error will be displayed. And option D, only data where the error field is present and does not contain a value will be displayed. The correct option is option B. Next question is, a SOC manager is complaining that a scheduled alert for failed login attempts triggered 150 emails. They still want to be alerted of failed logins via email, but they want less volume of alerts. Which of the following would resolve this from for the SOC manager? Options are: Option A, change the schedule so the alert runs more frequently. Option B, disable the alert entirely. Option C, change the trigger from for each results to once. Option D, change the alert action from email to webhook. The correct option is option C. Thank you.